I'm eating a tangerine now. But did you know it's very easy to make a candle out of the peel of a tangerine? I will show you now how to do it. Get a knife and cut through the skin, go all around. Then carefully peel the skin off, but make sure you leave the stem, because we will use this as a wick later. Now fill it up with oil. I will use coconut oil, but you can also use olive oil or any other oil that will burn. Also soak the stem into the oil and leave it for a while. Okay, now it's time to light up the candle. The stem is still moist, so it can take a while, but eventually it will lit up. Well, that's it. Enjoy the candle. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please subscribe.